DK Metcalf just avoided the worst case scenario, no criminal charges. But this story, it's nowhere near over, because while the legal system may have stepped back, the NFL, the media, and a looming civil case are just getting started. And now the real question is this the ending or just the next chapter? The decision is official. The Wayne County Prosecutor's Office will not charge DK Metcalf after reviewing video, interviewing witnesses, speaking with security and the fan involved. They came to one conclusion: there isn't enough to prosecute. The incident happened at Ford Field. Metcalf reached into the stands, grabbed a fan's jersey, and shoved him back. That fan, Ryan Kennedy, wasn't injured, no medical treatment, no lasting damage. And in criminal law, that matters. Because the standard isn't, did something happen? It's, can you prove a crime beyond the threshold? In this case, brief contact, no injury, a moment that may have involved escalation from both sides. That's not enough. But here's the part people miss. This is a legal decision, not a judgment on behavior, not a verdict on image. And that's why the story keeps moving. Because two major fronts are still wide open. First, the NFL already acted. Metcalf has been suspended. Second, there's a civil lawsuit, and that changes everything. Criminal court asks if a crime occurred. Civil court asks who's responsible and what it's worth, and now both sides are digging in. Metcalf's legal team has pushed back, suggesting the fans' behavior crossed a line first. Kennedy's side denies it completely. Now it's not just an incident. It's two versions of the same moment, heading toward a legal fight. Then there's the league itself. The National Football League doesn't wait for court rulings. It runs on its own standard. Protect the shield, protect the image. And in their view, this crossed the line. The suspension sends that message. Loud, clear, independent of anything a courtroom decides. You can avoid charges and still pay the price. That would actually last. Reputation. Metcalf is still a star, still a game-changing receiver. But now, attached to his name, an incident with a fan, a suspension, an ongoing lawsuit. In the NFL, that doesn't disappear overnight. It lingers in headlines, in locker rooms, in how people talk about you. And there's only one way through it: consistency, on the field, off the field. Because performance can rebuild momentum, but discipline restores trust. DK Metcalf avoided the worst outcome. No criminal case, no courtroom headlines, at least not that version. But the consequences didn't vanish. They shifted. Because in the NFL, the legal system is just one piece of the story. The rest is written by how you respond, how you play, and how you carry it forward. So the real question now isn't, did he get charged? It's this: when everything settles, what version of DK Metcalf shows up next?